Hey guys, we received this Slopehill hair dryer with a unique brushless motor. It comes in a really nice gift box, as you can see it here. So very nice, thing to gift someone. And this also, have three different attachments for different purpose, the manual and everything. So this is the power cable, which is inbuilt, the shock or the voltage thing. It's very lightweight hair dryer, and these are the three different attachments that I will explain with time. So there are three different one as a big one is a diffuser, then is a styling concentrator and a smoothing nozzle. So this is all in the box. So let's do and the test and try. So very nice like cable and the adapter thing here. So if there is any extra voltage or something, it will just drip. And you can see the fan and the speed here. So on and off in the back, and then three different buttons here with the fan on and on speed with the three speed for the fan. So when you want to put this, the attachments, then just push it inside. So I just put on the power, start the hair dryer, and you can see the speed in the blue indicators. So total three different speeds. And there are also the temperature levels, so four temperature levels and the cool button as well. So just push it out to take this out and just push it in to put another attachment. So it's very straightforward thing to do, and is a very powerful and lightweight dryer that can help in your hair styling. So you can see the power of the motor with my hair, and then you can also feel like the power here with the auto clean technology, power of the dryer. Press it for the 7 second, the fan speed will go in a opposite direction to clean it up. So it's a really nice thing to clean up the filters, and you can see the power of the brush here, even pushing this big attachment here. So very nice technology, very nice hair dryer, good hair dryer.